Want to reach all your clients instantly without creating multiple WhatsApp groups or sending messages one by one? Imagine sending festive wishes, greetings, or special offers to everyone in just a few clicks, saving you time and making your communication super easy. Here's how you can do it using WhatsApp Broadcast. Step 1. Log into your profile. Step 2. Scroll down your dashboard. At the bottom menu, you'll see the broadcast option. Click on it and you'll land on your WhatsApp page. Step 3. Add the numbers of clients you want to send messages to for festive wishes, greetings, or offers. Step 4. You'll see 2 search bars. Use one to type the client's name and quickly find them. On the other side, check whether the number is already added. This way, you know exactly who will receive your message. Step 5. Select your media, a photo, video, or just a text message. Type your message and attach files if needed. Step 6. Click Send. In just one click, your message reaches all your clients in seconds. Fast, simple, and effective. That's the power of WhatsApp Broadcast.